Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. Today for you we've got this beautiful magnetic silver Vantage Coupe. Registered in 2020 on a 70 plate, this particular car has done 11,500 miles from new, so we'll still obviously carry the 5-year service package. You may well notice from the front of the car, this car has the updated front end, so we have the new style front bumper with the black veined grille. And we also have the gloss black lower body package, which is your cornering vanes on the side here, your side sills, and also your rear diffuser as well. This car has also got the 10-spoke black and diamond turned forged lightweight wheels, along with your anodized brake calipers behind, and then sort of your usual later in Vantage's life, your usual features that you'd have on the car. So you have your 360 surround cameras with a bird's eye view, and we also have your blind spot monitoring. We also have, as you work around the back of the vehicle here, we have the smoked rear lights, and we also have the quad pipes as well, the Quad Sports exhaust. And quite unusually, we also have the magnetic silver painted rear diffuser duct and also the vanes on the back of the vehicle. We also have the black package as well, so that will give you, that would be the barred front grille in the front, but also the window surround that you can see on the top of the windows here. This is in a matte black finish. But what we'll do is we'll give you a bit of a walk around of this car, and then we'll take you through some of the optional features on the interior. So on the interior of this vehicle, we have well, basically the standard finish interior on this car, which was a combination of leather and Alcantara, so it gave you a bit more of a sportier feel, and that was sort of a no cost for Vantage when they were new. We also have the headrest logo in the top of there in a black stitch, and then we have the micro mesh headlining in this car. So again, to give you that slightly sportier feel, we've got this lovely micro mesh headlining in the vehicle. Technology wise, we do have sat nav and Bluetooth streaming and music. We also have your memory seats, driver and passenger side, along with electric steering column, cruise control and speed limiter. And then we have a satin silver jewellery pack. So as you can see, this is your vent surrounds, your dials for your HVAC controls, paddles, the ring on the steering wheel, speaker covers and door pulls and the like. This particular car is available in the timeless scheme on our website. You can give us a call here at the showroom or visit the website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.